The next topic is the empty set, or sometimes it's called the null set. And this is the set that contains no elements. And it is denoted by this symbol, which is a 0 with a line through it, or sometimes just empty braces. So determine whether each statement is true or false. So 17 says that 2 is an element of the empty set, which is false because the empty set has no elements. 18 says that 1 is an element of the empty set, which is false because the empty set contains no elements. And then lastly for 19, this says that 0 is an element of the empty set, which is also false because the empty set contains no elements, not even the number 0.